This is Eric Garage. Greetings to you once again, and I'm here to present to you this pulley and then the belt. You can see how the pulley has broke the edges. There is circumference of the pulley. Can you see it? This one always spoil the drive belt. You see, it's breaking. So sometimes you put on the belt and it doesn't keep long, and then it start to spoiling, start to tear off. You sometimes remove one mark or one line from the belt and you don't understand because it is brand new belt and one line has cut off. I'm here to tell you that this pulley, it is marked, it breaks like this. You see the edges, it becomes sharp. It is sharp. So anytime that a belt to get to this place, this sharp edge over here, cut it off. So I urge you to change your pulley. If you see it's like this, it's not good for the belt. It's always destroy your belt. It always will cut off one line or spoil your belt anytime that you put a brand new belt. You can see it's supposed to be like here. It's supposed to be like this place. It's supposed to be like this place, but not like this. If it's like this, it will spoil the tie. So thank you for listening and to subscribe to my channel and watch my video. The more details and more info, I get more info for you. Thank you and welcome to Eric Garage. Search for Eric Garage anywhere: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and subscribe, follow, and God bless you. Thank you.